Are you stuck on a tough question in your assignment and wish someone would explain it to you in minimal steps and give you context as well as an example to make you understand better? If that's the case, then this video is for you. Go to your Google's homepage and click on this AI mode button that you see in your search bar, and you'll be redirected into the AI mode. Now you have to select the thinking mode by clicking on this AI mode button and selecting the Thinking with 3 Pro option to switch the mode. And if you can't find AI mode in your search bar, you can go to Google Search Lab, which is this, and you can find AI modes and click on the Try AI mode for it to open this, and again go to Thinking with 3 Pro. Now you can simply ask your question in the chat box, and if you don't have your question in text format, you can also upload an image using this image button here. I'm going to take one of my problems for the paper and I'll simply hit enter and wait for it to give me an answer. And here's the result, and it is trying to explain me whether I should keep the envelope or switch it, which is the question that I asked. And it has also given me a Bayesian calculator which will determine whether I should switch or keep the envelope. Here I can adjust the observed amount and prior mean, and it will move these hand accordingly. So now, and it has also given me the mathematical rule, that is the formula, and an example as well. So that's a good explanation. And besides that, it has also given me the reference that it is used for generating this response. So if I want to check any credibility or reference, I can go and simply visit these sites. So that was how you can use Google Search AI mode, specifically the thinking mode, to answer your hard and tough questions within a minute.